First open a folder and go to C. Open the user's folder. Click on View. Select Hidden Items. Open the folder that has your username. Open the App Data folder. Open the Roaming folder. Open the Sekiro folder. Right-click Graphics Config. Go to Open with. Select Notepad. In resolution full screen width, change the value to 1920. In resolution full screen height, change the value to 1080. In resolution window screen width, change the value to 1280. In resolution window screen height, change the value to 720. Save the changes. Now launch the game.